Rocco's Vegan Life. Rocco's Vegan Life. All right, y'all. Today we have an unboxing video. Let me explain. If you've been watching all my videos, you know I did the unboxing of the Jlab FitSport. And I'm going to do a follow-up video on that. Now, what occurred was, is those also gave way. So that would have been like the third pair. So what I did was, they gave me a credit. Like I said, Jlab, thumbs up. You guys got the best customer service ever. It's covered under warranty. There's no problem. They credit to your account. Boom. Okay, so this is what I did. Instead of getting the same, like it's insanity, right? The definition is expecting a different result and keep doing the same thing. Like if you keep doing the same thing and expect a different result, that's insanity. So I decided if I keep getting these epic sports, right, and they keep failing, why do I got to keep getting the same one? So what I did was went and got these FitSport wireless. Now these are cheaper. These are only $30. And instead of having one in case one of them does break again and I won't be without a pair of wireless headphones, I got two. These are the new Jbuds Air Sport True Wireless. So I'll be unboxing those soon. We're going to start with this unboxing video first. So there's 10 hours of playtime, as you can see on the box. It's a FitSport 3 wireless fitness earbuds, universal mic, volume, and track control. So what do we got in here? Boom, your typical little silicone toppers. Now these I like, which secure it in your ear, fasten to the back, and your charging cable. So yeah, box seems a little damaged, but hey, as long as the product on the inside ain't. So let's open this bad boy up here. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yep, got it. All right. So the reason I got these is, is the 10 hours of playtime. Oh, and it opens up here as well, so you can see what's in there. Yeah, find your go, y'all. That's what it's all about. I love listening to music when I'm running, so it's great. So here we go. Pull this bad boy out. So let me show you something real quick, if I could zoom in here. Those are all Jlab stickers from all the different products. So I'm going on the 4 set. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah. Got another sticker, y'all. Another sticker. Ooh, excuse me, I just sneezed though. Alrighty. So this is what we got, y'all. Pretty straightforward. Bluetooth. Yeah. Pair, boom, turn it on. Bluetooth, pair. And there you go. So yeah. Let y'all know what I think. Get it hooked up. Get it charged up. And yeah. Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Rocco's Vegan Live. Rocco's Vegan Live.